Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Shweta. If you're watching my video for the first time, then hi, and do subscribe to my channel for more interesting and fun videos. And for that, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also the bell icon to never miss a future upload from me. And now let's just talk about the actual video. So guys, I have created this super easy and pretty makeup look using just 6 affordable products. This whole look took me only 5 to 6 minutes and it's so easy and anybody can do it. And I haven't used any sort of foundation brush or buffing brush or sponge, nothing. I have just used my fingers, and of course I have used brush to apply the blush, but apart from that I have used just my fingers. And these products are super affordable, which I have used, and I just rely on this whole makeup look whenever I am going to my college. This look is so easy to achieve and this is so much beginner friendly. A sweat proof makeup as well, because it's summer season here in India and you guys know how much sweaty and everything just becomes a mess in summers. I have used all the products which are completely suitable for the summer season. All the products I have used in this video are completely summer appropriate. Guys, I wanted to ask one more thing from you, that I have changed my setup as you guys can see, and I am filming this video in the natural daylight, and I don't know whether you will like it or not. If you want me to make more videos in this sort of setup and lighting, then do leave a comment down below and let me know. And I know I have blabbered a lot, but now let's just get started with the video. So guys, this was my short and sweet beginner friendly summer proof makeup tutorial, and if you liked it and want me to make more such videos, then do subscribe to my channel. And until next time we meet, this is me Shweta signing off. Bye bye.